Okay, so Qure Skincare reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to do a sponsored video for them for their new Micro Infusion System. And I said, no thanks, but what I will do is a video anyway. So I went out and actually bought the product myself. Now the reason I bought it is pretty simple. There are so many people reviewing this stuff online and it seems to be all pretty much sponsored, so I wanted to actually see if this stuff really did work. And here's the real pisser. It turns out that it actually does, and that really sucks because I could have took their money. Oh! So this is a micro needling device and it's really, really good and will actually do wonders for your skin. So let me show you how to actually use it. Firstly, you open up the chamber of the device, break the seal, remove the rubber stopper, and then just pour the serum into the chamber of the device. Then you have to leave the device upside down for about 2 minutes or so to go wash your face. Then you start in the center of your face and work your way outward until you've covered the face with the stamp. And you want to do about a 50% overlap. This basically means that each time you stamp, you overlap the previous stamp at least halfway. Complicated, but it's actually simple. Then just open up the remainder of the serum, pop it into your hands, massage it into your skin. Bravo. Like I said, this sadly isn't sponsored. And this product is pretty epic. My skin does feel firmer, it feels tighter, and it doesn't just feel it, it actually genuinely feels it. Oh, I wish I took the money. Oh, does it hurt? Yes, it does, but not painful, but you can certainly feel it. It's not agony, but stamping with small needles, you're definitely gonna feel it. There you go. See you next time, bye-bye.